All right, welcome. We would now like to ask a few questions of these fine cholesterol molecules. So, cholesterol, might you tell me how it came to pass that you came into the body? I would love to tell you how I came into your body. First, I was cholesterol made by some animal somewhere, and when you ate me, I was absorbed into this small intestine. But from there, it got crazy. First, I formed this ball with other fats and proteins called a chylomicron. I floated around a little until I was converted into a VLDL. I floated around a little more and was converted into an IDL, another particle, which then was converted by the liver into an LDL. This was so crazy. A regular body cell then bound to the LDL particle with its LDL receptor, and then I, the cholesterol molecule, was inside this body cell. My story is a little bit different. I did not come into the body as cholesterol, but these carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms came in as other things. But the liver then assembled me cholesterol because I am such an important molecule to the body. I was sent to the gonads, and in this case, the gonads converted me into a steroid hormone. There are lots of steroid hormones which can be made from cholesterol, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, and so then I helped to determine the reproductive state of the body. Me, this little cholesterol molecule. Right. So now you're both cholesterol molecules inside the body, but you came from two completely different sources. One as cholesterol in the diet, and the other as another molecule that the liver turned into cholesterol. Fascinating. What happened next? When the body cell absorbed this cholesterol, I had no idea what was going to happen. But it turns out this was a cell in the brain, and like all cells, it needed cholesterol in the cell membrane. It turns out that everyone requires cholesterol, me, to live. And so therefore, without this cholesterol in the cell membrane would be too fluid and would not be able to conduct the electricity that the nervous system needs. It turns out I was so very important after all. Well, I played my part, but as reproductive cycles change, you can't have hormones floating in your blood forever, and so the liver eventually had to take me apart. Now, the liver can make cholesterol, but apparently it's not very good at disassembling cholesterol. And so the only way to get rid of excess cholesterol from the body was to then package me inside an HDL particle, what some people refer to as good cholesterol. This then was excreted from the body as bile salts, which then pass through the intestines.